Good morning to Dewald Olivier. He is the CEO of the RMIS. Dewald, can you please explain to us what is happening in terms of the vaccinations for foot and mouth disease in the country?
Morning, Alani. Yes, I can give you an update with regards to vaccine that we ordered with the help of OBP from Botswana Vaccine Institute. And the vaccine was ordered in conjunction with the Milk Producers Organization. We learned that there were 77,000 doses available that were short dated, meaning that they had to be utilized before the end of December or as soon as possible thereafter. And the MPO engaged us actually from their side and said they are willing to buy 50,000 of these doses, and we structured and we assisted them in buying these doses. Now, the question always is, why RMIS and are we buying it? No, RMIS is not buying any vaccine. We are just a facilitator in assisting organizations, and the specific reason is OBP would like to speak to one organization, and so the government with regards to vaccines, and simply because the arrangement is that we hold two keys to the facility where the vaccine is kept. One is with RMIS and one is with the department, with OBP, sorry. And from their perspective, nobody can go in there without the other one's consent to collect some of the vaccine. But what I can tell you is that the 50,000 doses that MPO bought has been delivered. And as far as my understanding is, it's already on its way, if not already, in KZN to assist those farmers at the dairies in KZN.
And has the disease spread further? Have you guys had more spreading seen?
Yeah, unfortunately, we've seen a few other cases. We learned about a new case in Tweeling. We learned about some new cases in Mpumalanga and possible, and I think it will be cases in the Northwest as well. So we thought and we hoped that the sunshine and the hotter weather in some parts of the country would slow the spread of this disease, but it hasn't, and it tells us a few things, that animals are still being moved, sick animals are still being moved, and it's not necessarily the spread of the disease by itself. The disease will dissipate at 27 degrees, so it means that this must be nose-to-nose contact, and it means that the animals are still being moved from specific places to others, which increase the spread of the disease by ourselves.
In terms of the ministerial task team, do you provide that there's going to be a strategy in place soon?
Yeah, our recent discussions with the department, I think, was an understanding that there's no other way than to vaccinate the entire country. There is a process obviously involved whereby a decision needs to be taken, and there still needs to be some discussion and negotiation with regards to how it will look. So it's not there's no clarity on how it will work yet, and if it will 100% happen tomorrow. But the fact is, I think there's enough proof that we have to vaccinate the entire country, but we need a strategic plan on how we do it. It's not a willy-nilly vaccinate just from all the points in South Africa. We need to have a strategic plan on how we do it. And we need experts to assist us with regards to diagnostics and epidemiology in a plan with that. So we're looking forward to creating a plan by not latest the end of this year. We need to have something in place so that we know where we're going.
Yeah, well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Alani. Have a good weekend.